Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I do want to wish you a great weekend as well. In this video, first, though, we will focus a little bit on Solana. We'll do an update, not purely a technical update, but we'll take a look at the technicals. Excuse me, I have to squint my eyes because I almost have to sneeze. But I can keep it in. But all right, we'll do a full analysis on Solana. It's very interesting right now because what we're seeing is that Solana, like on Friday and Thursday, it was looking very bearish, and it's trying to regain some bullish momentum right here. So you can see that it broke above, or almost broke above, $22, which was a resistance level. And now it's basically in this area again between 21.8 and 22.5, which are both not necessarily the strongest key levels, but they are very important given the current market structure, which we can only define as being a bullish market structure that is in the middle of a reversal. So that's interesting. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about what that means for the price. We'll take a look at some other statistics and what's important. So a lot to talk about. Let's get right into it. First of all, Bitcoin right now is not showing that much. I would say it's a little bit more bearish than bullish, but it's also the weekend, so we'll probably not get that much movement from that. And then if we're talking about Solana, so then we'll actually take a look at some Solana statistics, at least about the perpetual futures, which does usually tell you a little bit about the spot price as well. What you'll see there. All right. So what you'll see there is that the open interest has been growing since Friday. So what that means, and the volume is actually also still pretty high, which is interesting because it's the weekend. Usually volume drops down. But what that means is that it's building momentum for something, all right? That could be bullish, it could be bearish. It's not necessarily a bullish or a bearish verdict, but it's just something we have to know. So I would say it's leaning towards being bullish a little bit, because what we've seen so far, while the momentum has built, while people have been opening positions, is that the market, is that the price has gone up. So what I would say currently about Solana is that the situation is as following. It's in this area right here, and it will also, I think, depend on Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you can see that over the last week, it's correlated for about 90%, which is huge. That's a huge correlation. So it will depend on Bitcoin. So overall, what I expect this weekend is that it will consolidate, just move sideways for a bit. I think it will lose some momentum. And then, and I'm going to have to be boring, but then Monday or tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, when the Asia opens, then we'll get some big moves. So then the main levels, like I said, are 22.5 and 21.8 or 21.9. And what we'll see then is one of those two levels break. Personally, I still think a bearish breakout for Bitcoin is most likely, given the fundamental situation around the crypto markets right now. And therefore, I still think it's most likely that Solana will reject off of 22.5. Will break down below 21.8 and will continue falling down towards 20.5 and 20.3. But while I'm saying this, I mean, I'm not going to short Solana right now. All right. So I think this is the most likely scenario. It's not that it's not possible that Solana will get that bullish breakout, but I just don't see that as the most likely scenario right now. Like I said, given the situation for Solana, which technically is not bullish yet, and the situation for Bitcoin, which is, in my eyes, bearish. So that's my full take on Solana. If you want to know my trades on Solana and just in general, consider joining my premium/signal group, in which I share my own trades. There's also a community full of traders, and you gain access to my trading guide to learn how to analyze and trade like me. If you want to make some money, become a better trader. Links will be down in the description for the premium group. For now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.